Welcome to Rustbuster's installation guide
for Dodge's 1981 to 1993 Ram 150.
Before you begin, if you're uncomfortable performing any of the processes listed in this guide, then we strongly suggest you seek the work of a professional. Ensure you have all the tools and utilities listed and that you are following all of the manufacturer's safety precautions during use. Step 1. Disconnect your vehicle's battery. Inspect for potential fire hazards such as leaking fuel lines and engine components. Repair or remove these before starting. Finally, clear the work area of any safety hazard.
Step 2. Unbolt the truck's cab and bed and lift them to create clearance in the work area. Remove the fuel tank, fuel lines, and any brackets or lines near the repair location. Step 3. This frame section repairs the area that houses the front bed mount, rear cab mount, and carrier bearing crossmember. If replacing any of these parts, cut the rivet heads and clear the rivet holes to uninstall them. If you're keeping them, remove only the perforated sections on the frame section. Step 4. Grind the work area clear of rust and debris and apply weld-through primer. Slide the frame section into place using the frame holes for alignment and seat it tight against the frame rail. Step 5. Clamp the frame section in place. Following proper welding procedure, tack weld the part to the frame rail prior to welding all edges fully. Step 6. If removed, reinstall or replace the front bed mount, rear cab mount, and carrier bearing crossmember. Weld the perforation lines closed without welding the mounting holes closed. Finally, apply a rust inhibiting top coat.
We recommend our Rustbuster Rust Converter and Primer Spray Paint.
Once dry, reinstall the fuel tank, fuel lines, brackets, then lower and reinstall the cab and bed. Now, get back out on the road.